recording. Hi guys, I have a surprise. I have a super surprise. You guys will never guess. I'm smiling like forever, and I'm gonna lower down the volume like forever. Sorry, I'm so excited right now, and I'm just so happy. Like, this is the best time of my life. I can't wait to tell you. I have an exploded mind. I'm gonna upgrade my recording thingy, and it's gonna be so like I can do it more than wow, that looks beautiful. More than 15 minutes, so you guys can get like a lot of stuff. Mama. Wait, sorry. Wait, she's in the bathroom, so sorry. This is so cool. This looks cool. There's a cloud. Wait. Whoa, I can actually come here? Whoa, it didn't allow me. Look, it didn't. You ready? It's just so, it's nice and soothing. But I like this side better. I don't like that. I don't like that side. I like rainbows. No, stop moving. I want to play. Guys, man. Let me play. How are, like last time, there were some goats. Like, goats. Real goats, guys. Wait, where's my mouse? Okay. Real goats, guys. Real goats. They were in the cloud party. How were they in the cloud party? That's what I want to know. And guys, I'm going to go and I'm going to shop for something because I haven't won diamond from like just a gift. Yeah. And I got like a lot of gems. Let's see. Now, I want to get this. I really want to get these. But there's also something else I wanted. I don't think it's here. No, it's not here, but it might be here. No, I don't think it's here. Okay. I'm just gonna see. Gonna check, guys. I'm sorry that's staying forever. No, it's not here. Alright, then I guess I'm just gonna buy this. Mom, wait. Again, why am I always saying that? Should I have this? Sorry, guys, but should I have this? There's coins, they lift up coins. It's cool. Should I have it?
How much do it cost?
Just 1 diamond. I have enough.
Okay.
So, yeah. Sorry, guys. That was something. I'm gonna buy the clover guys. Bye. Guys, I have clover gauntlets. They look cool, right? Yeah, I just wanted them so bad. Wait, guys. I think I can show you this. But I wanna first get. I'm just doing something to get that. That's it. But here's the surprise. Don't look. No looking. No looking. Okay. Close your eyes. You're not allowed to look. Alright? Close your eyes. When I say go, alright? So, not yet. Alright? And go! Guys, I got it cool. I know, right? It's awesome. Oh my god. I always wanted these. This. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die right now because I never knew I never thought I would have these. I never thought I would have this article. Never. Ever. My mom said it was too touchful, but I don't think so. An article is all I want. Alright. So I'm gonna get a pet. I want a pet beside my pet. The best pet I have is a pony. A pony. Oh my god, it looks so cute right now. So cute! Yay! It's with me. Wait, now that I can actually have a lot of stuff, I can actually buy another den. It's awesome. I can do so many things today, guys. I can have another princess castle. No, not gonna. Don't worry. I can have all this. Right, but these are the costly ones. Very costly. No, that's boring. That's just boring, guys. This is boring. This is also boring. And this is boring. This is super boring. This is even more boring. And this is, I don't know, a lot of floors, but no thank you. There's 3 floors, that's good, but no thank you. I really just, I like this. I want to see before I buy it. I am gonna buy it, guys. So yeah. I'm gonna have enough diamonds. Next time, next time I get like 10 more diamonds, like for my next membership, I'm gonna buy a den. 7 diamond den. I'll have 3 left. It's awesome, but I feel like it'll not have enough stuff. But I guess I could buy it because, like, you know, I get some stuff. I just want every stuff in my den. So sorry. Bye bye. I'm sorry. Bye bye. All right. Let's see. What was that? No, it recited me. Guys, this has always happened. Every time I want to have something, let me restart this. Right. All that's actually left to have is now the spike. The spike. The spike is all we need. Spike is all we need. I'm sad that I don't have spike. Huh. But I'm happy that I have Arctic Wolf finally. It's been my dream to have an Arctic Wolf. There's so less people. That's rare to have. Less people there. There must be a lot of people here. Yep, there's a lot of people here. And guys, it's so cute. It's so cute. So cute. Look, guys. Just wait. Dance. Wait, no, that's wrong. Sorry. Look. Look at it. How are you? Right, I finally got an article. Great. That's sad. Great. I'm doing great. Buddies and people. I'm so happy, Mom. I can't say how much. But I'm just so happy. I feel scared now. I feel like a little happy this time because I already have the article, so I didn't. I'm gonna erase a lot of articles because I have a lot of articles. No.
Hey, what?
Huh?
What did you phone charger turn on? Because Phalata didn't.
Yeah. after Michaela. We done? Ah. Swag. Yeah, we should add swag, guys. We should totally add swag. Can we say that now? Swag. Oh, sorry. Swag. Swag, you know. Swag delicious. That's funny. People who really care about me really care. I didn't expect that. I'm gonna buy something, guys. I didn't actually buy something. I'm sorry I was quiet for a bit. I think I was quiet. I don't know, but we have 4 minutes left of this video. That's sad. I just can't wait, actually. Guys, me and my article for this grade. This grade. No, it's scared. It's not the end of the video. Whoa, I just got in. Like, walking out. Guys, that's range. No. No. I can buy whatever I want. So, no. No. I actually don't have enough space. Hey! Wait, guys. You know what's the best thing I could do? Go to a party. No, these parties are boring. The dinner party is in 1 hour and 45 minutes, guys. I want to go there. I want to get like as many as this week. I'm gonna save these and for the things because I'm gonna buy a lot of them and put it all around the house. Oh, so I'll be like ice cream sundae place. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna go back. I think I'm gonna switch to my small house because I've never really been here. All I have is this morning. But guys, I'm not gonna ever be here again. Bye-bye. This is where I want it to go. Guys, this is my most favorite place. I love it because this is live. It's actually chocolate mud, but it's still the same. There's gingerbread trees. See? I'm getting all that. Oh my god, I can actually... I want to eat the whipped cream. Can I eat my place? Oh my god, I'm so mud. Mud. I love this place. And then I got a TV hang up here, guys. Apple. I have a lot of things I haven't used here. I'm gonna go with the emo egg. Emo egg's awesome. Oh, the chocolate sundaes. Yeah, guys, you already know. This is when I take a bath, so I'm eating my sundae right. Oh no, the water's drying up. Oh, the mud. I'm gonna take a nice bath. Mud bath. That's stupid. I'm hungry. Let's eat that. See, it's refilling every time.